TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to calculate aspect using the elevation datasets. So you can see here, this is my elevation datasets, which I have downloaded from the Earth Explorer USGS. So this elevation datasets has been generated using the SRTM sensor. So now we just move on to the raster analysis. So go to the option raster and you can see analysis, and in the first itself you can find the aspect, select it. After that, the input layer will be our elevation datasets. If you haven't added the elevation datasets, click on this button on the right hand side corner, where you can browse the file and select the file and open it. So after doing it, you can see a few things are available over here. So you can see here, return 0 for the flat instead of minus 999. If you want, you can use it. So compute edges, so I am just leaving this as it is. I'm not going to change anything. And finally, you can see here we can save the file. It will be saved as a temporary file if you want. Otherwise, you can use the option save to a file. Here you can give some name and save the file. So we are doing aspect, so I'm going to give name aspect and I'm going to save it. So before getting into it, we just see what aspect is, and you can see here aspect is the compass direction, that is slope phase. So the aspect tells us the direction of the slope phase, so in which direction the slope faces. So now we just move on to the QGIS and now hit the button run. So the process has been completed successfully. Let me close it and you can see the output over here. Now let me remove the merge, that is my elevation datasets, and you can see the aspect over here. So just right click on it and go to the option properties, and here we are going to select the single band pseudo color. So now let me change the color, and let me invert it. So you can see here, so in continuous I am going to fix it into equal interval, and let me fix the classes to 10 and let me apply it and click OK. Now you can see here the 0, which is representing the flat surface where the slope is not formed. So like this. Now let me make it to discrete and let me increase its classes to 15. Apply it. Okay. Now you can just see the aspect value. If you want, you can just use the discrete. So you can see here, this is how the aspect maps looks like. So it basically tells us the slope direction. So mostly if you use linear, that will be better, I think. You can fix it linear and let me apply it and give OK. Now you can see here, this is how the aspect maps look like. So if you have any doubts on this, please do ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching TerraSpatial. Please do subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.